What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ambitious_T back with another video. Now in today's video, I will be installing a set of LED halo rings, LED strips, and a set of demon eyes to a Hyundai Genesis Coupe headlights, set of headlights. So I pretty much got the kit from Lightingtrendz. Yes, they are my sponsors. A guy who I met while I was in the city. He has done a lot of different things to his Hyundai Genesis. And he ran across me one night in my apartment complex and said he wanted to do the same thing to his car. He wanted to get some lights did. And he came to me, he trusts me with his headlights, and I'm gonna get them right. But for the most part, man, he took the headlights out himself and gave them to me, which anybody can do. And yes, I will install the LED kits and ship them back to you at your own expense. DM me for prices, DM me to get some info, DM me so we can just collab and try to see what route you want to go. But for the most part, man, in a second, I'm gonna show you the headlights, I'm gonna show you the LED kit, and we gonna get it cracking. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so this right here is the kit. Yeah, sorry if I'll jump it up, but you got the Hyundai Genesis. This is a Hyundai Genesis halo ring kit for the 2013-2016 model. Demon eyes. This is one of the demon eyes right here. The LED strips, which I kind of didn't feel like they were long enough, but I said I'd try to make it work the best I can. And I already tested them out to make sure they all work. So once I get it back together, I'll let y'all see what it look like. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get this part started.
eventually.
Alright, y'all. So, I've already taken out his halo ring. So now what I'm about to do, I'm about to install this demon eye. So, I pretty much had to take out 4 bolts in order to get the halo assembly all taken apart. So now, it was kind of hard for me to figure out where could I put this and it actually show up good. So basically what I had to do was align these 2 holes up together, like so. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but these 2 holes right here, this one and that one, I pretty much had to align it up with this in order to get this to slide in place. Because of this cord right here that it connects to, I didn't want to put it directly in the center, because if I would have put it in the center, it would have been blocking his actual light. So when these don't shine, his light will still shine through the circle. So give me a second. I'll cut the camera back on as soon as I finish this up. Let's get it. All right, so this part here is pretty much what it looks like. And I have it pointed off to the side. So it's actually looking this way. If I would have had it actually right in front of it, like right here, it would have actually been blocking the view of the light. I couldn't do that. So I did it to the best of my ability, but I'm pretty much gonna just reinstall everything, and I'm gonna get the halo ring around it too once I get it back in place. And then we're gonna get this thing sealed all the way back up together. Y'all stay tuned. All right, so before I put everything back together, this halo ring is supposed to be installed around this plastic trim right here. So how I did it was, if you can see down here, I had to take this part off and then slide the cord back up under the inside of that tight corner. And this LED strip, I pretty much didn't have anywhere else for it to go. So I just installed it at the roof of the headlight. And I slid it back inside a corner. That's the cord right there. I slid it back inside a corner. So in a second, once I get everything back together, I'm gonna do a test before I actually seal it completely. But it's the same process for both sides. I just wanted to show y'all how I did this one. So that's a custom LED strip. It didn't come with the kit. Only thing came with the kit is the actual halo ring itself. That's the kit. The LED strip, I had to find somewhere for it to go, but I did the best I could when it came to finding somewhere to actually put it. But I think it's gonna come out pretty good. Plus, with the light being up here on this side, it'll reflect off of all of this. So I think that'll be pretty cool. So in a second, man, once I get this plastic piece back on here, I'm gonna let y'all see what it look like. Y'all stay tuned.
A few moments later.
All right, y'all, so now I'm about to show y'all the finished product.